Hey, the month of creepiness is upon us. So I asked my patrons, how do you want to be spooked for Halloween? And the answer was a Halloweeny prop for Dash Studio and Poser. And my brain made apparently the obvious and very logical choice, a chopped off head in a glass jar. Why that was so obvious is still beyond me. I guess I'm just weird that way. I freaked myself out by making it. And even worse, I did a screen capture of the modeling and texturing of the hat. So you might maybe be freaked out also. Luckily, I made a time lapse, so the scare will be over fast. If you want the starter hat OBJ I made, you can download that for free on my Patreon page. If you want to download this prop, you're welcome to join my Patreon family. I put a link in the description for you. And if you want to buy the 2D resources I paint my skins with, which I use in the video, I link them up as well. Happy Halloween, make it a great day, and thank you for watching.